Everyone, I just wanted to do a little review on this little microwave cleaner. It's basically just a plastic container. You fill it up to, hold on, let me take her little hat off, up to this line with distilled vinegar. And then you lift the head up, sorry about that, and you fill it to this line with water. You put the head back on it, her little hair, I guess you can say. You stand it up in the microwave, turn it on for 2 minutes. You take it out and basically have to just wipe out your microwave. So you can clean your microwave in 2 minutes. If you're like me and you have teenagers who put food into the microwave without putting a lid on the container or a paper towel over the plate, it splatters everywhere. I am constantly wiping out the microwave. So this little gem here is a lifesaver. Like I said, you fill it up partial way with distilled vinegar, the rest of the way with water. Lift her head up like this. Put it in the center of your microwave, and then when it's done, you take it out, you wipe out the microwave, and voila, you have a clean microwave. Just my little 2 cents. If you're ever thinking about getting one of these, I highly recommend it. Thank you. Have a great day.